Hey folks, J-Dog here, and what's today? July 5th?
So how was the trip? Yeah.
July 5th, and we are at Kentmore Beach
Now, did you catch something?
Tiki Bar. Pretty cool place. Never been here before. But little hammock, Savannah and Carvin are over there.
Stand by.
And there's a little hangout, little tiki bar. Ordering some food, and we're about to get on a boat and go do some fishing in about an hour. So just kind of hanging out here, waiting for people to get here and getting a bite to eat. And we're gonna get her done.
You need a high chair?
J-Dub, Matty Bear, Savvy K, and Ray Ray's over there. Ray. It's J-Dub, Cowgirl Digger. Going to be cowgirl fishing today. We're headed out on the boat here on the Lucky Dog out of Kenmore. And got my buddy Roy here, his girl Sarah, my buddy Jeff, my buddy Rob, my daughter Savannah, her boyfriend Carvin. Hey, what the hell going on? There's the captain. Captain said that they caught 24 fish already this morning. There's Matty Bear. You going up top?
Yeah.
All right. She's got a bathing suit on. Hey, folks.
Oh, recording?
Papa Bear, Baby Bear,
Hi.
and then we can just take snapshots of it later.
Okay.
You know? Woo! That good.
What the hell?
Ain't seen that before, have you? That was a picture.
On my camera.
Oh, all right. Cruising out. The game plan is we're going to cruise out and we're going to catch some live spot and use those for the rock fishing and go from there. So this is all of us up here on top. Savannah and Carver in the back there. Got Roy, Sarah, Jeff, Rob. Yeah, 9 total. We're headed out and we're going to make it happen. J-Dub. Signing off. All right, well, we've caught all our spot, and we're here fishing.
Somebody string cut.
And we
I got one too, guys.
and we look
Line
like
in up front, please.
reel in fast, reel in fast, reel in fast.
Don't reel
Re-
fast.
reel. There you go.
I'm leaving the water right there.
When I say reel in, just start reeling in.
Going up. Find it all up. Bring your fish back here. Right back here.
Yeah.
Back here. All right, here we go.
Boom.
Boom.
Bam.
What? Pumpkin's got one too. What is going on? How many fish we got hooked up?
Wow.
You sure you got one, Pumpkin?
I didn't even know I had one.
Here, Roy's got one in there.
Nice.
Sarah, good God, Sarah.
I didn't even know I had
Sarah!
Woo! That's a big old rockfish right there. Sarah is a fishing fool. Oh, Jeff is dangerous with a fishing rod. Dangerous.
one. Right there.
It's not my line, is it? All right. My Matty Bear got her first striped bass. What do you say, Matty Bear?
I don't know what to say.
Mad Fisher.
Bad fisher.
Whoa, she's going down. We got a goner.
She gone. Oh, that one's a...
Roy's on his 3rd rockfish. Sarah got a rockfish. What in the world? What we got now? What? Oh, that's a nice one, Roy.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Look at that one.
Grab my camera.
I'm on camera.
Where's your phone?
It's in her...
You got a fish?
I don't know.
What you got? You might have somebody's line.
I don't think it's on there, though.
No?
I think it's on hard.
Oh.
I think you got somebody's line or something. I think, you know what? That's the trick, Carvin. They're over here fishing in the shade.
You said what?
They're over here fishing in the shade.
We gonna move over there. Let me tell
Because the fish are hiding in the shade of the boat over here.
How big is that one?
Good Lord. I don't even think I've had a bite yet. See, that's why your fish keeps going everywhere. You ain't got no weight on there.
None of them's got weight. A lot of them don't have weight on them.
Oh, mine's got a weight on it. Maddie's got her second fish. Good Lord. There's no hook in him, right?
Under his bottom lip.
Grab him by the bottom lip. Yeah. See, Carvin finally got smart and went to the other side. Hold your rod tip up.
Stay tight with the rod up. Keep it steady. You gotta keep that pressure.
Babe, do you have a fish?
Yes, I have one.
Someone take a picture of him. Thank you.
Oh!
You let go? Wait, do I have to like scale him out?
Watch your fish.
Oh my God! Look at my fish! Look at Rachel! Oh my God!
Holy cannoli.
Rachel won the competition. Hands down. Take a picture.
Oh
No,
my
he took
God.
a picture.
That thing is huge.
Oh my God!
That's bigger than my 28-inch trout, I think.
It's huge. I hurt my wrist. Can you take a picture?
I got a camera. I like it's running.
Look at my thing.
Oh my God.
Holy. Oh.
Woo! Rachel Schaefer.
Out.
Can you take a picture?
Yes, I'm taking 10 pictures.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
I want to make sure you're not just doing a video.
Look at this.
How many inches? Rachel, what about when Maddie wanted a picture? 34 and a half. What about when I wanted a picture? I was reeling that fish in. In the little drawer.
Damn it.
Jeff, game over. Sorry about your
Carvin is on the board with fish.
I had
He's about to jump it. He kicked him in the head.
Keep your rods up in the air so you got that bend on and that keeps that pressure to fish you come to you.
Sarah has got another freaking fish. Oh my God. What is going on? All right, everybody get your lines out of the water. I want to catch the next fish. Oh, holy crap. Lord have mercy.
Compared to Rachel's.
I don't know what the hell's going on around here. How many we got in there? Well, there's my second fish of the day. Got a little something going on. Finally. Little striped bass. Showing up. There we go. And I'm signing off so I can crank up my bait. Alright, our last fish of the day. I don't want to jinx it, but Savannah White catches one and the crowd goes wild. Woo, Savannah White! Let's take the hook out first. Don't you do nothing. Just calm down. Calm down. And you got to watch the spikes too. Madison got stabbed earlier.